Hey everyone, welcome. Allison here. Um, I was gonna wait and do this unboxing, but um, Mindy and I's got a collaboration that we're going to be doing the 25 Days of Christmas, kind of an advent calendar. And we've got something really special for all of you guys. I'd better unbox this and show you all before that starts because that starts December 1st and we are November 29th, I think. I don't know, the day after Thanksgiving. So we've all seen the boxes of, sorry for the glare of the light, of the, help me out, Diamond Art Club. So you get your steps if you have never diamond painted before, and then it shows you what is inside of the kit or the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. We were going to do the tree, the glowing tree, but we decided not to because, well, we really liked this painting, but also the other one's just kind of been shown quite a bit because it has the glow in the dark drills and that. So this is the one that we're going to be doing. So we're going to be doing the Fireside Christmas. It is, let's see, a 56 by 56, and it does have ABs, and it is round. So let's pull it out. Maybe it's bumpy out. So excited to do this one. When I seen that she got it, I was like, oh, you know, it's just the warm feeling, you know, when you look at this image, you just kind of get that warmth, you know, that, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, that fireside warmth. But anyhow, so it comes with your basic round toolkit, your pen. Oh, it looks like you get a 4-placer, nice. Your squishy, your bags, your glue, and then of course your tray with the spout. And then you get your stickers. Here's a better look at the image. It's got a little kitty all curled up in the chair. So cute. Look at that. You get your Christmas tree. Alright, so we'll look more at the image, and then you've got your drills. We will look at that here in a moment. Okay, let's take this bad boy out. I'm actually, hold on, I'm gonna bring you guys down onto the here so that I can get around you guys. There we go. Much better. Okay. Now we'll take a look at the painting. Now it does come with a little booklet on your instructions. And it's a little thank you. So again, if you're new to diamond painting, this kind of gives you the steps on what to do, and then some little tips and tricks. So let's take a look. As always, it has that really nice velvety feel to the canvas. I have to roll it the other direction so it'll lay a little flatter for you guys. So is everyone getting ready for Christmas, or are you already ready? Today my husband and I put up the Christmas tree. So just barely started getting our Christmas out. As far as gifts and that go, we're almost done. Just a few more things. I have also 2 birthdays, my husband's birthday and my daughter's birthday, both this month. There we go. The sun, I'm so sorry. Maybe if I stand here, now the sun's not quite in your way. But, so we got the tree here. We got little gifts underneath. Nice fireplace. That's what I'm talking about. When she opened hers, I was like, yes. I mean, that was the reason why I wanted this painting, was because of the fireplace. It just seems so cozy, you know. Okay, I'm gonna lift you up a little bit. You got your stockings above the fireplace, and then let me see if I can't bring you up. There we go. And then here we've got the wreath. It looks like we've got some candles and some pine. Looks like little houses up here, you know, like your little Christmas village up here. And then, oh, we got a little Santa Claus right here. Looks like on the bookshelf. And then, of course, the chair with the kitty, you know, sleeping on it. All curled up by the fireplace. So cute. So here on the right bottom, you get your legend, and there are 42 colors, and it looks like there are 2 ABs, so 1 and 2. So that will be kind of throughout the fire. Looks like in the pillow. Oh, through the tree. So it's going to be through the tree. I think that's it. I'm not seeing... Oh, through here. I think this is like a little light or a little candle up here. Yeah, so that's it. So it just pretty much kind of scattered through this area, and then this little candle up here. And then you get your legend here and your schematic up here on the top left. So there's the other image, if it'll focus. There you go. So this will be so beautiful once it is done, and then you get it framed. So let's take a look. Oh, I'm telling you right now, there is not too much confetti, but there's some. There's always, it is clear, the glue is clear, the symbols are clear, so easy to read. And as always, it has a little glitter shimmer to it. And all of the canvases have it. I love that. It just kind of makes the whole thing kind of glimmer and shine. And let's see if you can see it better in here. There you go. You can kind of see it better. All the little glitter and the little sparkle. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing for the collab. We are going to do, like it says, the 25 days of Christmas, or 24. I'm not really sure. We're still working out the details, but yes, we're doing it as like an Advent, and we've got something completely special for you guys while we do this. So be on the lookout for that. It will start December 1st. And it's my first collaboration with someone, so I'm really excited to be doing this with Mindy. If you have not checked out her channel, you should. I will leave a link down below to her channel and to her unboxing of this exact image that we are both going to be working on. So go and check her out and subscribe to her, because this is going to be a lot of fun. But I think I will let you guys go. Oh no! Let you guys go. I can't let you guys go. We've got the drills to look at real quick. I'm not going to pull every single one of them out. What am I talking about? I'm going to pull them all out. Oh, and Helen, this is just for you. Because I know you're like me. You like the sound of the crinkle. So, just for you, Helen, if you look, well, I know you're watching this. Okay, so we know there's going to be some 310, but I don't think there's going to be a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got our beautiful red, the 666, kind of a light terracotta color. Here's our 310s. Got 2 of those, so not too bad. Nice, pretty dark red. A light, kind of a nude color. A really pretty green. Oh, I love that green. Another dark kind of peachy color. Ooh, there's a dark forest green. That is gorgeous. I love that. A peachy color. Brown. Another kind of dark peachy color. Ooh, another pretty green. Ooh, intruder. Another shades of peaches and kind of the terracotta color. Oh, AB alert. That is pretty. It's an orange. Look how pretty that is. Love it, love it, love it. There is a brown, like a light brown, a green with an intruder. Kind of a peach. Oh, this is more or like a really light orange. And then another brown with an intruder. Okay, so there's those. We've got, wow, 2 of the 371s. These are just a different shade of brown. A really deep terracotta color. And then this is kind of almost like a burgundy wine color. Really, really pretty. So we got 2 of those. Kind of a cranberry-ish red color. A tan. Brown. Kind of a terracotta color. A teal. A yellow. Kind of a, like a sunflower yellow. And a green. A tan. Another green. Ooh, pretty pink. Oh, there's the other AB. AB alert. This one's the yellow. That is pretty. That is really pretty. And then we've got a couple of different shades of gray. And then some more teals. Different shades of teals. Or aquas, however you want to call them. Ooh, that's a really pretty pink. Oh, pretty blue, a light blue. Then we got the darker blue. Oh, I love this color. Like the baby teal color, like baby mint. Really, it's looking blue on the camera, but it's not. It's like a baby mint color, really light, so pretty. Oh, I like. Really pretty colors. So let's look at the painting one more time before I let you all go. And I'm dropping everything. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is going to be so much fun to do with her. This is going to be so much fun. All right, now I will let you guys go, and I will catch you guys for sure on Monday with the collaboration. So like I said, be looking for that. I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving if you are here in the U.S. and celebrated it. For those that didn't, I hope you had a wonderful week and going to have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell. Thumbs up or down, up to you. And leave me a comment of what you think about this image. Your thoughts and opinions. I love it. I think it's gorgeous, but would love to hear what you guys think. So I will let you guys go. Don't forget to always smile, and I love you. Bye.